What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video we are going to be changing a fuel neck on this beauty, and the reason why I got to check engine light says check fuel door. So I'm going to show you the car I'm going to be taking it from. It's going to be this guy right here, and I'm going to show you the reason why I'll be taking it from this car and not buying a new one. As you can see right here, you can feel it. There's about like maybe 1/8 of an inch of movement, and down here you can see this one, there's zero movement. So for sure this filler neck is busted. So instead of spending $168 for aftermarket one, I have it on a car. I'm just gonna steal it from this. So I'm gonna show you how to take it off on this car, and then I'm just gonna kind of show you other things that are not on this car, because this car is gutted, and then we are gonna go from there. So next thing I'm gonna do is use my quick jacks for the first time and lift it up so we can disassemble and see what else we have to disassemble. All right, here is the code. We got a evap emission system leak, which is that fuel cap. So I will clear this out and we are gonna go replace all the parts and then check on it later. Damn, I've been missing out on $1,500 thing like this. My god, this makes it easy to do anything and everything on the freaking car. Should have bought that thing a long time ago. Quick jacks for the win, look at that. Damn, so much thing, so much space underneath. Alright, let's get to filler neck. Alright, so looking at the filler neck from the back, that's how it stays. There's like a little plastic from the back that holds it. And down here, actually I'm missing the mufflers on this car, but if you had mufflers, they would have been coming through here, kind of blocking this bay. So down here, you can see where the filler neck goes. Goes through there, goes right behind, one second, right behind or right over the muffler, and then goes into the fuel tank from the top. So it's actually not that bad to get to it. So I will, well, at least on this car. So there's a quick disconnect here, and then there's a few screws that are holding it there in place, and then it goes to the fuel tank. Looks like it's just a clamp. I am gonna remove this brace so I can drop the muffler down, so if I have to fish it out weirdly, so I can do that. So let me do that next. Alright, the body brace is removed. Next step is I'm gonna take these exhaust pipes off, because it looks like the silencers are removed, so I want that car to be a little bit louder, so we're gonna take these off. And look how much space there is underneath the car with these quick jacks. Should be a breeze. Alright, I have the muffler off. Now you can see all the access point. To get to the hose, there's a connector right there. Pretty much that's it, and you just gotta fish it out. So I'm gonna do this next. No power tools, because we're dealing with the fuel tank, so it's all gonna be ratchets. I actually will be disconnecting it here instead of going to the fuel tank, so that seems like a reasonable place to disconnect and then take it out. Alright, so we're gonna pull this out, and then we are gonna push it out like that. And this is where we disconnected it. So now we're just gonna do the same thing on this car. So the only thing different on this car is you do have to take this splash shield or sound deadener off. So that's the first thing you want to do. I'm gonna repeat the same process as on the other side, and I'll bring you back once I start installing. Alright, this is the OEM exhaust. I took it off, it's really easy. And we are going to be putting another OEM exhaust with just straight pipes. I'm not sure if that's going to make any difference, but we are going to try it and we will report later. But right now, with everything taken off here, exhaust is taken off, and this is easy to access right now. This exhaust, I just literally just pulled it off the hangers, as you can see. So do the same process and reinstall everything back and take it for a spin. All right, we have it off. This is the old So Much Play. This is the new, well, actually new, so semi-used new. So we're gonna install this one back on the car, install the mufflers, and we call that good. Let's see if she sounds different. Sounds way louder, and it sounds like pretty like mellow deep sound. I'm happy with that exhaust mod, and I'm happy with the fuel filler replacement. And that's gonna conclude our video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and check out my other videos.